Good morning, America. Today we are going to solve the daily LeetCode challenge. Question 141, linked list cycle. This is a easy question and you could have a read through it. I already took a look at the question. And the solution for this problem can be easily solved with 2 pointers and the Floyd's algorithm. Oh, this ain't it. No, that is not it. It's called the hare and tortoise algorithm. Cycle detection, or Floyd's cycle detection algorithm. Whatever it's called. It has so many names. And yeah, you could read into the explanation. I'll leave this Geeks for Geeks link in the description. But basically, it's done with 2 pointers. We have a fast pointer and a slow pointer. And the fast pointer moves twice as fast as the slow pointer. And at any point, if the fast pointer is equal to the slow pointer, then we have a cycle, or return true. And we need to have a way to break out the loop, and that is to check if the fast pointer is not null and the fast pointer's next is not null. So let's quickly code this. So we need 2 pointers, fast and slow, and we'll assign them to the head pointer. And now we need a while loop to continuously check, and the loop will be if the fast pointer is not null and if the fast pointer's next is not null. So while fast and fast dot next, then fast equals fast dot next, slow equals slow dot next. So the fast pointer moves twice as fast as the slow pointer. So we move slow pointer once and we move fast pointer twice. And then we check if slow equals fast, then we return true. And if this while loop is no longer valid, then we will return false. And that is basically the Floyd's algorithm. Hang on, I might have missed something here. Fast equals slow equals head. While fast and fast that's next. Slow equals slow dot next, fast equals fast. If slow equals fast, return true. Return false. Okay. Bam. There you go. Thank you. See you tomorrow. Peace out.